Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to put delta symbol in Word. We start by opening Word. Now, to insert the delta symbol with the keyboard, we will use the Alt key combination plus 948 if we want to put delta lowercase. We can also use the combination of Alt plus 916 to insert delta in uppercase. We can also add the delta if we go to the Insert menu and under Symbol click on More Symbols. Here we will look for the delta symbol and then click on Insert to add it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.